now, nationwide manhunt is underway for a South Florida man accused in the shooting death of two custodians at the Dreyfoos School of the Arts. Jamel Lene now with the latest from West Palm Beach.
Well, the search continues this afternoon for this man. Authorities continue to search for 53-year-old Javier Burgos. They say that he is armed and dangerous, a person of interest and still on the run. Now, Burgos has not been seen since his fellow co-workers were found dead Wednesday morning here at the Dreyfoos School of Arts. Now, the victims, Ted O'Rama and Christopher Marshall, were found in the maintenance room shot to death. Investigators spent Wednesday searching Burgos' home in suburban West Palm Beach. Neighbors and property managers say they have not seen him for days. So now the manhunt is on as local and federal authorities search for this person of interest, Javier Burgos. They say that he was last seen driving a 2010 silver Toyota with a license plate of 284PRH. And again, authorities say that if you see him, do not approach him. They say to contact authorities immediately. That's the latest here in West Palm Beach. Jamel Lene, ABC Action News.